Amazon has released product bundling and it has changed the game for a lot of Amazon sellers. If you sell complementary products or products that work well together, this will not only increase the revenue that you generate, but the profit as well. Let's go. Product bundling on Amazon has definitely caused waves, especially for Amazon FBA private label sellers. Prior to the release of product bundling, this was one major way to being able to differentiate from your competitors by bundling certain products together to kind of add value and differentiate from what others were selling. Now, instead of having to do that, you can sell them separately and together while still being able to differentiate in certain ways. And you don't have to create new ASINs as well. Amazon will do that for you, but we'll dive deeper into that later. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andy. I release videos now once a week for the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. I'm currently a 7-figure seller, all private label. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to drop them down below. But, welcome to the family. If you guys haven't already checked out the links below or grab the cheat sheet, be sure you grab the cheat sheet down below while I really can't talk. Be sure to grab the cheat sheet down below as well. You'll also find the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind Facebook group, super engaging group. We're almost at 1,000 members, so looking forward to having you there. And then I also have an Instagram link down below where I release content once every single day on Amazon FBA tips and tricks as well, or just general information. So be sure to go check that out there. And for every single video, I do release a coaching call. So be sure to stay till the end of the video to figure out how you can be entered into winning that. So first, what exactly are Amazon virtual bundles? Well, virtual bundles are a new way to create a new type of ASIN without actually having to use a UPC code or a DTIN. But it allows you to sell complementary products within your catalog that you may think people are already interested in. So for example, if you wanted to provide a discount for 2 complementary products, you're able to do so. And again, for example, if you have an office supply store, right, and you're selling office products, you know that a lot of people are buying pens and pencils together. That's a bundle that you can create without having to use a new UPC code, and Amazon will allow you to do so very seamlessly. You're not having to go out there and create a completely new listing. Yes, you will have to create a bundle listing that'll show up on the actual product, let's say if you create a bundle, it'll show up as an option for the pencil or below the pencil listing. So they'll go to your pencil listing, they'll scroll down and we'll see the actual listing there. But you will be able to sell both of them together, and again, it's very seamless. You don't have to spend too much time creating a new description or creating a new listing. You may need a new image for that actual bundle, but that's primarily just the hero image depending on how detailed you want to get into it. But most people know that you're selling both these products, so you can kind of just add them together to hopefully increase the overall cart value you get from that individual customer. So what are some of the benefits of having a bundle for, let's say, a pen and a pencil? If you know that people are already interested in this and more people are likely to purchase this, you're not only going to have a purchase for a pencil, you're going to have the purchase together. So you're going to have an increased cart value as mentioned per customer, and this is going to benefit you in the long run because you're making the sale for both and you're making a larger sale to that single customer, increasing your overall profit as well as your revenue. Now, these listing bundling images also take up more real estate space on your listing, and I think this is one of the huge benefits of being able to sell complementary products. So one of the ad spaces that Amazon allows for competitors to target is through competitor targeting, listing targeting, product targeting, and things like that. So this typically shows just below the actual image for similar items that the customer may like. With listing bundling or bundle listings, this shows directly under the hero image. To my knowledge, I believe I have to double check that. That's how it shows under mine, but this is going to take up more space on your actual listing. So before they even see, similar items your competitors may be interested in, or your customers may be interested in, they will see the actual bundle listings first, and they may see, oh, this actually looks like a really good product too, or this looks like something I would buy together. So you're going to have that option and have that increase in customers buying your products only, as opposed to seeing your competitors' products as well. So I think this is personally a huge advantage that I'm able to have over some competitors. Being able to increase the overall checkout value and have customer purchase more products from you is going to definitely benefit your business in many different ways, and that's probably one of the biggest reasons why I preach having a brand as opposed to just selling private label random products under the same brand or store. This increases customer loyalty and just increases the amount of money that a customer is going to spend with you as a brand that sells complementary products that are, very niche specific. So I know this was a quick video, but hopefully this kind of persuaded you to go that route of creating a brand or a niche specific brand and utilizing the virtual bundles, because it personally has helped me and has helped me make more sales, which I think will benefit you guys a lot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick video. I know that a lot of people kind of get bored after a while, because I personally do, but my purpose is to just help you guys. So if it did and you guys found it helpful, be sure to drop a like, comment any questions you guys have down below as always, and subscribe to the channel if you guys did find it helpful and are interested in more content like this. If you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, don't forget to do the exact same thing and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below hashtag Prestige Amazon FBA. Cheat sheets down below, Amazon Facebook group is down below, Instagram page, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.